Elon Musk is an expert at making companies self-sustaining, or, to put it another way, capable of transforming them into philanthropies. Wonderful. We're going to take you on a mental tour of two amazing people today. One is a renowned investor whose holdings are as varied as the financial industry's fabric. The other is a mysterious trailblazer who is transforming not just transportation, but also the planet's destiny. Giant of the financial industry, Ray Dalio takes center stage to provide his thoughts on a guy who has come to represent innovation itself. Are the renowned Bridgewater Associates founder Ray Dalio's recent remarks implying that he may be thinking about buying stock in Tesla? Come along as we analyze the hints and explore the potential driving forces behind Dalio's decision to invest in Elon Musk, the greatest business the world has ever seen. The brains behind SpaceX, Tesla, and a host of other groundbreaking projects is the epitome of unwavering drive and transformative vision. Dalio may not even need Elon to convince him to put the millions of dollars his investors have invested in Tesla. This talk has the potential to completely change your financial future. It will cover everything from Elon's brilliance to the breakdown of Tesla's phenomenal stock price growth and the calculation of how much Tesla stock you should have in your investing portfolio. Come explore with us the fascinating realm of investment, innovation, and Elon Musk's brilliance as seen through Ray Dalio's eyes. We're about to take a trip into the future, ladies and gentlemen, so buckle up because Tesla is powering it. Please remember to use the like and subscribe buttons first. Let's get this video started, and welcome to Tesla Stock News. Now, let's examine the reasons behind Tesla's potential interest from Dalio. Dalio is, after all, renowned for his astute financial judgment and nonconformist thought. What qualities would entice us to consider Tesla if we were in his position? The name Elon Musk divides people's perspectives like a hot knife through butter. He's viewed by some as the contemporary equivalent of Leonardo da Vinci, a visionary genius who paints the future. Others see him more as a crazed gambler who is recklessly tossing the dice when it comes to innovation. However, as you can see, Ray Dalio is not the only one who has added his 2 cents to the Musk frenzy. Oh no, my friend, this is a worldwide festival of compliments and criticism. The bottom line is that the Musk roller coaster isn't going to end anytime soon. No, time is the only one with a front row seat and the ability to predict whether Musk's rocket journey would finish in tears or applause. The man behind the largest hedge fund in the world, Bridgewater Associates, Ray Dalio, has a soft place for Musk. He believes the man has improved the world, not merely that he is a decent man. What's stirring Dalio up now? That would be Musk's tag team of SpaceX and Tesla. Dalio claims that Musk is not only founding businesses but also inventing a completely new paradigm. However, and there's always a but, Dalio is not an advocate for Musk. He has some misgivings, that entire impetuous thing, and how occasionally Musk simply takes off into the distance without even checking his rearview mirror. Regarding Musk's ability to work as a team, let's just say that he might not be everyone's first choice for a playmate. However, Dalio, being the impartial assessor that he is, believes Musk's positive traits exceed his negative ones. From his perspective, Musk resembles a high-rolling poker player who consistently places chips in the center of the table and takes calculated risks that would cause most of us to perspire. Shall we slice it up into manageable chunks? Dalio thinks that Musk's ability to see like a crystal ball is his secret weapon. It takes guts to make the future happen, as opposed to just envisioning it. Conversely, though, Dalio is concerned about Musk's spontaneous antics, which he compares to a magician pulling rabbits out of hats without thinking about where they would reside. Yes, and Musk may occasionally be difficult to understand and even more difficult to manage, much like a Rubik's Cube. In the overall scheme of things, Dalio appears to consider Musk to be a unique jewel. Sure, he has his eccentricities, but his power to change the world and make things interesting makes up for the odd headache. Furthermore, what do you know? Ray Dalio has a valid point. Musk is similar to that oddball painter who may spatter paint all over the canvas but nonetheless manages to create a work of art that is so amazing that it leaves everyone in awe. However, we must not overlook the financial aspect of the problem. Given his reputation for painstaking research, Dalio may find Tesla's financial results intriguing. Tesla's stock price has surged dramatically, but what are the company's underlying values? After the second quarter earnings report, Tesla's stock experienced an exhilarating ride akin to that of a roller coaster. It fell by almost 20%, and it wasn't until last week that it performed a brilliant escape maneuver to stave off a horrifying 25% free fall. Here's where things start to get interesting, though. TSL's stock has risen by an astounding 98.9% year to far, making it more exciting than a lightning storm. In contrast, the S&P 500 index has been slowly increasing at a rate of 17.6% so far this year. Let's now explore the reasons why Tesla's stock may continue to rise. Do you recall those Q2 findings? They were spectacular, nothing less. With a whopping 480,000 vehicles rolled out and 466,000 delivered, Tesla made the numbers from the previous year seem like a warm-up act. That is a massive 86% increase in delivery and an 83% increase in production. It's true that Tesla adjusted prices during the year, which reduced quarterly profits. However, here's the story twist. It didn't cut as deeply as Wall Street skeptics predicted. There's more, so keep your seats together. My friend, get ready for an amazing revelation. Tesla is about to reveal its crown jewel, the Model 3 Highland. The audience is incredibly excited about this much-anticipated addition to Tesla's roster, which is about to take center stage. There is a lot of talk about this new model coming out with an eye-popping price tag. But now is when the story becomes really interesting, so hang on to your hat. Tesla is creating a full-fledged innovation symphony rather than just playing around with small improvements. Now launch the full self-driving FSD application. And to say that it's a game-changer is not an understatement. Imagine this. Tesla cars driven completely by FSD and without a human driver, cruising the open road. FSD is now operating at level 3 automation, which basically implies that even with its advanced technology, a cautious driver must still maintain their hands on the wheel. But when FSD reaches complete autonomy, you'll be seeing more than just a scientific marvel. You're seeing a financial coup de grace for Tesla. The FSD software will become a moneymaker when Tesla's robotic arm is realized. Every autonomous mile traveled boosts Tesla's revenue stream, much like a recurrent symphony. This is a huge leap towards a future where convenience, profitability, and innovation all meet on one road, not simply a step forward. The storyline twist is that Tesla may invite other manufacturers of electric vehicles to join the FSD celebration. That's correct, rivals may turn into partners. Let's not even discuss Tesla's superchargers. In North America, they set the benchmark, and starting in 2025, Tesla will even share power with General Motors and Ford. Tesla's charging connector will be used to power GM electric cars. In the future, picture GM electric automobiles and Tesla vehicles both savoring the power that comes from the Tesla charging outlet. It's similar to having an electric car that can translate between many makes and models using a universal translator. This is about working together to create a more connected and effective environment for electric vehicles, not just about competing. The big reveal is about to happen, though. Tesla's third quarter financial report is scheduled for late October. This is how the Wall Street script is written. Based on $24.67 billion in revenue, 80 cents per share. In contrast, during the same quarter previous year, they earned $15 per share on revenue of $21.96 billion. Expect the stock to rally if Tesla delivers on this performance and presents a positive image for the entire year. Prepare for a crazy ride for Tesla stock as it approaches $300 and beyond if they additionally highlight their supercharger network, energy initiatives, and FSD roadmap. Thus, with Tesla's shares trading at $1,245 right now, take this as a cordial invitation to join the ride before the exciting new chapter begins. Let's explore the fascinating world of Tesla stock as a possible investment in more detail as well. To begin with, Tesla's ascent to prominence in the stock market has been nothing short of extraordinary. It's similar to witnessing a gifted rookie take the show at a talent competition. The appeal of Tesla's stock might be very alluring to investors who are thinking ahead to their retirement years. However, there are subtleties to take into account with any investment. Depending on your particular financial condition and risk tolerance, you may choose to invest in Tesla with the goal of building a retirement fund. Tesla's stock may end up being the star of your investment portfolio if you have a long-term outlook that extends far into the future and you don't mind taking a short-term wild ride. But if the thought of volatility gives you the chills, you might want to look into other investment options that promise a more comfortable ride. Let's now address risk, the unspoken but important issue. Tesla is a growth company, not your typical stock. To put it another way, this implies that it will be expected to grow its revenue and profitability more quickly than the overall market, much like the driven young athlete who wants to set records. However, there may be highs and lows along the way, just like in the case of that athlete. In the near term, the stock price might fluctuate like a pendulum, leaving investors hanging on for the ride. This is where the Tesla narrative really begins to shine, though. Beyond only producing electric cars, Tesla is a company that shapes the future. Imagine our streets being navigated by self-driving cars and cutting-edge technologies that look straight out of a science fiction film. In the long run, the stock price of Tesla might soar to the heavens if it succeeds in these endeavors. Therefore, Tesla provides a ticket to the future for retired investors who have a predilection for big dreams. Let's now discuss strategy. How much Tesla stock ought you include in your retirement savings? That would be similar like choosing how many colors to use in a masterpiece. There isn't a magic number that works for everyone. Nonetheless, diversification is a universal financial principle. It's like making a buffet instead of a dinner served in a single course. You can spread your risk by making investments in a range of assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, etc. Thus, it seems sense to allow other assets take center stage even though Tesla may be the main attraction. And what do you know? We have a wealth of videos ready for you if you're yearning for additional knowledge on how to manage your retirement while holding Tesla stocks. Visit our channel to interact with a welcoming group of like-minded investors who are pursuing financial security. So have a seat virtually and join me as we set out on this thrilling adventure. My friend, your retirement goals could be just a click away. Let's review the main points of this video as we come to an end. Dalio's thoughts on Tesla and Elon are known to us. We've also seen how, despite its share of dangers and benefits, Tesla's stock path has been nothing short of extraordinary. Now, if you're an investor, your choice to put money into Tesla should be in line with your risk tolerance and long-term financial objectives. Remember that diversification, which lets you distribute risk over a range of assets, is still the gold standard when it comes to investing. We would be delighted to hear from you before we sign off. For your retirement, have you given Tesla any thought? And what aspects of your decision are you influenced by? Which particular subjects would you like us to cover in upcoming videos? Kindly leave your remarks in the space provided below. In addition, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you thought today's video was interesting and educational so you can see the most recent updates and news from Tesla stock news. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you soon.